Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn about Brother Printer and see all its features and also see how to use those features. So first of all, we will explore all the features one by one, and then at the end we will also tell its printing cost and the printing cost per page also with all its another features. So let's get started and know everything about this printer. First of all, let me tell you some options. There are some buttons of this printer which you will see here. This is the button to turn on or off. This is the option to scan and copy. You can see multiple options for copy and scanning for here. This option will be used for two-side scanning like IDs, Aadhaar card or voter ID, and this button will be used from scanning. After this, you can go to the main menu for here. You can select menu option by pressing plus or minus button. This is the plus minus button you see here. By selecting this, you can change and select the menu option by clicking OK button. And on its left side, you will see the clear button. There will be a back option. You will see the stack is ready. This means it has pages and the number of copies is showing 1, meaning if you press the start button here, so it will take out one photocopy and its quantity will be 1. Press plus minus button to increase or decrease the number of copies. Paper are kept in the tray below it. Look, we have placed some papers below this and you close it by putting paper. There is ADF here on its upper side. You can keep paper here. It comes out from the scanning. In this way, it comes out of the scanning and the scanning is done. So now let us try making a copy. We will try the option of 2-in-1 ID. So this option is 2-in-1 ID. You lift up the flat bed and this is our voter ID. You will keep it this way by closing after placing 2-in-1 ID copy. This is the button. Press it and now we press the start button. It will copy it from the first side. So look at this. It can showing turn over the ID and press start. So we have to pick it back up and turn the ID and keep it in the same position and then press the start button. Now it will copy from the other side and the start printing. Now it will copy from the other side and then start printing. This has been done for the both side and now the print will appear from below. So now let's see the next feature, how to make a simple photocopy. So first of all, you have to keep the paper for which you want to make a photocopy. In this way, keep it completely glazed to the top corner. It will be keep this way. Then by closing it, you can increase or decrease the number of copies using the plus minus button. Maximum you can extract from 99 copies at one go. Now we are selecting one and if we press the start button, it will make a normal photocopy for this page for one side. This printer has very fast printing. Now we will see the next feature of this printer, ADF. ADF is very important feature and very useful feature. Through this method you can make photocopies for many pages at once without placing at paper one by one. All you have to do is place the paper on the ADF area and press the start button and it will be automatically grab all the pages and copy them. So let's see how to do this. So there is an option at the top here. This is where you can have place the pages and you can move them back and front to fix the pages. So with this, the pages will be fixed properly and will go in the same way. Pages will go from here and come out from the bottom. If we want to keep the paper in this way, we have just keep this paper and scanning will happen from here in this flat bed. For here, the paper will be go inside and it will be scanned. So see, it will be scanned and will come out from the bottom, and we will get the photocopy. If you look at this, here you can keep many papers and make photocopies of them. Another special feature of this printer is that it support two-side photocopying. This means that you are going to get a photocopy on this paper. There will be no need to turn it over and put it back. Your photocopy will be appear dual side in the input tray without turning the paper. So let's see how to use this option. First of all, you have to keep the paper whose front side copy you want to print. So we are using the same ID. So we will take out the front side and take out the back side. Go to copy option. For here you can move up and down by pressing the plus and minus button, and you have to select the two side option. Now press OK button and see it is off. Then see this, it is temporary set. After some time it will be set back to one side. After that you can press the start button and it will be started copying the front side. Copy means he is scanning. Now it is asking whether to scan the next page. So we will flip the ID. This way it will be reverse set and then say yes to press the plus button and he will copy. Now we have to press the start button and it will print the front and back side of the paper at once and give the output. He took the page once and then the paper would go back. He did the final output, give it us. Printed once on the front side and once on the back side. This is very special feature and it very useful. Other important features is connectivity with Wi-Fi. By connect to Wi-Fi, you can give direct print through Wi-Fi from phone, laptop without using USB cable. So let's see where the Wi-Fi option come and how it works. Look at this Wi-Fi button. The light should be on here. By pressing this menu button from the menu option, you will select plus minus button and go the network. You can see the network option. Press the OK button to select it. You have to select the same Wi-Fi which your laptop mobile will use. I search from Wi-Fi and this network gear is the name of my router. I will select it and after that I can enter its password by pressing the plus button. It will use 0 to 9 and then ABCD. By pressing plus button we can type alphabets. If you want to select them, press OK button and it will be selected. Then you can enter the next letter. After pressing the plus button, save the Wi-Fi password in it and connect the laptop and mobile to the same Wi-Fi. If you have connected the printer to Wi-Fi, then download the Brother Printer application in the mobile so that you can easily print for the mobile also. You will find the link of the application in the description box. Right now, we will use the application directly. So let us see how we can take a print using the application. This is Brother Printer application. If you open it, you will see the printing option. There is a scan option. When you go to print, whether you want to print the photo. If you select the photo of the documents, you will get to see same photos from your gallery. From here, you can select any photo and print it. If there is a document, select the document and print it. Suppose if the document has come on your WhatsApp, then you will select it and share it by selecting the Brother Printer application and clicking on the direct print button. From here, it will print. So see, we have printed this paper. Now we will see the features through which if we have a PDF or any document in the laptop, then how can we move all the papers of the document back and front on the same page? Means dual side printing. So let us see which option you have to select on the laptop so that you can get dual side printing. So first, your printer should be connected Wi-Fi or USB cable. We have opened a document in the laptop. This is a document which we will print. So there is a print button at the top. Click this. So this has been opened in PDF, and now we will be press the print button again. So here you have to select brother printer. We will take out only 2 pages and look at them back and front. So here we will be select custom, so that we can extract from safe 1 to 2 side. Currently there are 6 pages in the document. So here I will write 1-2, and we only need one copy of this. If you scroll through more settings, you will have to select the 2 side option, print on both side. So see, this paper comes and want back to get dual side printing, and then you can get the final print. So see, this is a dual side printing. This is very useful option, and this option is used to dual side printing. So till now we have seen all its features. So once we review all the features and know about its printing cost and printing speed, and know its printing cost and printing speed. So first of all, let me talk about functions: print, scan and copy. And the printing type is laser printing. And now let me talk about printing speed. If your page is letter size, the printing speed is 36 pages per minute. And your page is A4 size, the printing speed is 34 pages per minute. And the size of paper you can use with this printer is A4 letter, A5 long edge, A6 executive legal, folio, Mexico legal and Indian folio. And it also with 1 year on-site warranty. The printing media from paper input is paper tray, or you can use plain paper, thin paper, recycled paper, thick paper with this printer. And it will contain maximum 250 sheets, and you can put 120 sheets on paper output tray. This is a monochrome printer, means this is a black and white printer, and you can get a 99 photocopies in a single click. It will give you the option enlarge or reduce. You can scale your copies by 25 to 400% increase. The resolution is 600 by 600 dpi. Now we finally talk about the printing cost and the printing speed. This is very important information, to don't skip this. So as per the brother company claim is 33 paisa per page. This means your one page cost is 33 paise. If you liking my video and information, so like my video, subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.